Yo, let me show you something about rap. You don't know nothing about rap. You don't know about the physics that I might tap. Mouth open, laser leave, melt polar caps. That's all I got. That's all I got. You know what I'm saying? Whoa.
I told you what to expect. Pursuit of an asbestos turned super sword. Made it through the counter, retaliate, calculated, carbon fiber, high-tech oil. Turmoil, no thrill. Crumbling malicious commodities that every sucker that stole a T.I. wet. Initiated for the license. In a slight fix, killing myself for recognition. Never phased into a paranormal thought of reformer. I thought I heard you, but it was just the radio. It's not your fault, cause I won't pay him to say it, dope. Tell me cause it hurts on the no doubt. I pull classics from out the roadhouse. Style against styles among styles. The INCR not edible. When the clutch is full beats to the MM Mastodon. Semantic analyst. Twisted like cash and bond. A rematarian. Octane turbo staff. Road rash. Not talented. Mentally challenged. Impervious attempts. That should not be admissible. Man is like Monday morning. Yet they applaud at your meek performance. Tell me who should be the invincible. I watch the company I keep. It's a list of abrupt. Conceitedness can't envy. Stolen choruses delete. Fortune of the sound reasons. Repeating that barely breathing.
And he formed man of dust of the ground, and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life, and man became a living soul. Big L, rest in peace. Rest in peace. Do you wanna mess with this? One of the best yet. We've got it. You can feel the realness. Go ahead.
Fresh out the gate again, time to raise the stakes again. Bat my plate again. Y'all will drive our forces to the borders and take over without being sure if the choice was made sober. But yo, he's acting for the sake of those who voted. Those who got their votes stolen on some family tree bullshit. It's for those whose votes just didn't count when electoral colleges totaled the amounts. You're telling me that this man should be respected when he's taking us to war and he didn't get elected? He went from Texas to the White House with a quickness, from executing retards to executive decisions. The truth is twisted and he's spitting propaganda. The man's a terrorist that we ought to rid the land of. Disband the union if you got a half a heart. If not, remove the Bush administration. That's a start. Burn Bush. You get the matches and I'll get the gasoline. Burn Bush. Spread his ashes all across the Middle East. Burn Bush. Strike a flame and make his flesh sear. Let him kill the one who spread his fear. Burn Bush. You get the matches and I'll get the gasoline. Burn Bush. Spread his ashes all across the Middle East. Burn Bush. Strike a flame and make his flesh sear. Fight the war on terrorism. Kill the one who spread his fear. Burn Bush. You get the matches and I'll get the gasoline. Burn Bush. Spread his ashes all across the Middle East. Burn Bush. Strike a flame and make his flesh sear. Fight the war on terrorism. Kill the one who spread his fear. Burn Bush. You get the matches and I'll get the gasoline. Burn Bush. Spread his ashes all across the Middle East. Burn Bush. Strike a flame and make his flesh sear. Fight the war on terrorism. Kill the one who spread his fear.
God bless him. Do you know what nemesis means? A righteous infliction of retribution manifested by an appropriate agent. Personified in this case by me.
We're all in the same gang, bread and butter. Just a couple subdivisions who naturally hate each other. Influence is shark fighting the fuck out of your brother. Friendship is Professor Plum ratting on Colonel Mustard. We're now witnessing the world's most crass version of a barnstormer in real time with a jagged edge. Arm mortars and field mines for a bastard sledge. On a style diamond cutter swung to point that magnificent havoc sketch. Fidget like a nervous culprit open. Sweat a bullet, dead a bullshit sequence reactor. Big as disaster. Leaves off the canvas to provoke a sideline and snake in the grass with dirty belly and his words to tell me. I got my words to tell you. I got absurd magic that it works like pistons pumping through the realm my famine habit. Not a rabbit hat combination. More like I spit pixie dust till it makes paper community for whole words for ransom. Demand some attention page. Not to mention praise for their release on a page. They might have made the light of day. I never said I gave
Them all the fight to be brave, all insight to behave. All like them others, fads have been paid for by some brothers, while some of us lie in the eyes of others. I discovered another way to stay undercover, kill everyone involved, unsolved mysteries
This to me is how to leave matters resolved out of this all. You should take the break as the bait gets snatched out your habitat and left on the side of a lake. I try to debate whether a clean getaway is harder to make than a call to the cleaners. Dropped off a seamless bag, zip it up with enough cash to pay the cat with the aqua demeanor. God is a name I call myself. I don't like ugly, original, synthetic. I breathe rusty air logic. It becomes the lung. The mind is the closet. That is if it's a walk-in, cause I'm open. You fell from the cliffs of weakness. I scoped it. I'll pull your rhyme up and stuff it inside my mouth as if this was the first grade. Come on, man. And you'll just stand there, your eyes are water up and your teeth are grind cause you rhyme first grade. See, in this lifetime, I'm a cage poet, but I think life is more than a jail sentence. That's why I took my time doing calisthenics with euphemisms to hand out a life sentence. You see, when I rhyme, I put my ass crack in it, and you in a glass bottom boat with a crack in it. So fuck your attitude. My poetry's position is the sole definition of latitude.
Sinister.